For us investors, the number one thing when purchasing a rental property is cash flow. I'm about to show you 2 duplexes that have been doing just that since I sold it to the owner 2 years ago. Both duplexes are located just 1 street apart in the Brooklyn Center neighborhood of Cleveland, which is just moments from the highways, from the Cleveland Zoo, and from Metro Hospital. Talk about long-term tenants. The tenants at 2219 Hurley have been here 13 years and over 5 years. And the lower tenant in Kenneth has been here over 12 years. In addition, you'll also find new vinyl windows between both properties, and the upstairs unit of Kenneth has been completely remodeled and is ready to place a tenant with market rents ranging from $750 to $850 for the 2 beds. These units are currently bringing in just under $30,000 a year, which provides about an 8% return. Once stabilized and rented at market rents, you'll be closer to a 10% return. One of the most notable and substantial upgrades the owners have done to these buildings is replacing the decks. You'll see this one's been completely rebuilt, and the upstairs deck on the other property has also been newly constructed. While these have been a fantastic investment for the past 2 years, it's time for these owners to move into something larger. That means it's your turn to take over the cash flow here and potentially even add all that value. If you're interested in more information or want to make an offer, give me a call. And don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel for more information and videos just like this one.